Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from volumeaction.com. I want to post this and share to my subscribers, my followers, this potential short opportunity or selling opportunity or the British pound, US dollar. What I saw here, and this is the intraday trading idea, since most of my subscribers are interested in intraday potential trading ideas, so I decided from time to time to post the intraday, even though I'm doing also the short midterm trading, but basically I'm more oriented to the mid trading into the stock market, and the intraday doing some speculative positions on the forex, but both of them intraday and short midterm perspective. If we speak about the potential trading idea and potential selling in this area here, why I sold, actually here I sold with a few percent here, is my risk here, 2% actually. My stop loss is around 25 pips above this cluster we created from yesterday, and so my stop loss is around 1.5, 320. Anyway, the reason is I'm using the market profiles to help me identify where is the high volume areas, where is the volume picks from the yesterday, and so where is the when is the market is in balance and which price is that balance area, and when the market is in balance. The point is to catch that imbalance phase, and because that is the most that's how you earn most of your income, to spot the good opportunities. So, for example, the pound USD is in the short midterm downtrend. How we know that? I mean, using the simple logic between watching just only price action, we have the lower swing highs, lower swing highs. So sellers are happy to sell the pound. They don't like this to buy on intraday also, but we can see that, and also the short midterm, they're interested only in the selling opportunities after the corrections, after the upward corrections. So exactly what we got here is from yesterday, we got a high volume, we got the highest peak volume area near the 1.5, 300. Why? Because prices was the most of the activity, the largest activity happening, and price established, as you see, that high peak volume area near the 1.5, 300. If you compare that to the 2 days ago, the high volume area and the balance, the market was in balance around 1.5, 335, and we dropped like 35 pips. We created another new balance zone, which is lower than the previous day. That is actually also very good sign of the weakness of the pound, and the sign that downtrend is on the table. So we got the high volume areas, and you know, when the market is balanced, day by day we're going lower and lower, and that's a very good sign. Today, when to trigger, the best area to trigger when we saw the weakness, just one thing, supply and weakness appearing on the up bars. How is that? Because that's as you see, this bar here, this is a you know, if you say like this is a bullish bar, but look at the weakness here, look at the volume, it's a no demand, it's supply overcoming demand, and the next bar it's confirming that because it's going lower, also totally absorb this bar. This is a 30 minutes time frame, and that's where I start to sell, and I'm right now in plus like 13 pips on my account. So, and I posted this on my Forex Factory thread. Also, we had the cluster here, very good cluster, so we got area where to put stop loss. So we put above this cluster because that will confirm that market is not ready to drop here, and better that we exit if the price go like 30 pips, 25 from the area of the entry zone. Okay, so now what we may expect, according to the intraday, we may expect drop like normal daily average, you know, about 100 pips. You know, so far price is already like 25, but there is a room at least 50 to 70 pips drop potential for today. I'm speaking only for today. And then tomorrow, if we continue and we also get the news meeting minutes, we may also go much lower, depend because the news is pretty much, there is no person who knows what will happen to the news. But you try to secure after certain amount of pips, you know, after 1-1 risk reward ratio or some critical points. If we speak about the general what can be a target, if we speak about that, to be honest, the target can be near this area. It can be like 120, 150 pips. Where is the cluster here on the daily time frame? So this area here, 1.5, 150, or 1.5, 110. So that is if we speak about some swing lows on the daily time frame. You can also see here the lower swing highs, lower swing highs, lower swing high, lower. This is a cluster of the swing highs, which is even stronger than the single swing high. So from this one, from the cluster one, this may go much lower. If we speak about the daily time frame, even test all this area in the next weeks or days, this zone here. But speaking of, that's a short mid-term perspective, but speaking just about the intraday, only speaking about the intraday, we may expect lower price for about daily range, you know, 50-70 pips space for the lower price, and also news. We will see what will happen on the news later on. For 6 hours we got the news, 80 minutes, and be careful because of that. So basically, the reasons for this entry is that we are in the short mid-term downtrend. The intraday trend is also downward. We got the weakness from the very critical, this is the balance and the high volume pick area, and we got exactly, price didn't have power to go above that and above our cluster we created from yesterday. So I started to build selling positions. MA, you can use MA or not, I mean, but I'm using the 50 moving average 60, you know, and we are, as you can see, this moving average is going clearly downward. So that's all for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed this analysis and that you we can carry good pips here. I'm in this position so far. I'm in like 10 pips plus, not more than that, but we may expect much lower price in the next period. If you like my analysis and you want to learn my method and how to trade the intraday successfully and how to spot the good opportunities, you know, and you can contact me on Skype. My Skype name is petar.jacimovic, and I will write you on my description on my YouTube channel on this video. And also feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or subscribe on my Forex Factory profile to follow my new updates. That's all for this analysis, and I wish you good trading and have a nice day.